Bonjour, comment allez-vous? Hello, how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel and French with Anubhav. If you have already subscribed to my channel, press the bell icon to get the latest updates. In today's class, we are continuing with what we were doing previously, that is CBSE sample paper, in fact French sample paper, class 10th, 2021. This is the part 4, I believe. Now I know that this year class 10th exam is not taking place due to the pandemic. It's been cancelled. Like I started this sample paper and now stopping it abruptly in between won't be right. So I will be completing this whole sample paper. Who knows, it could be helpful in the next year for next year students. So yeah, I will be completing the sample paper. Talking about the important questions, I don't feel like doing that right now because from June I'm beginning with the entire textbook on Tuition Class 10 in detail. So that would be much more beneficial for the future batches. So let's complete the sample paper here and then we will get back to what we were doing. Like I have some aspects to be discussed of direct, indirect, then active, passive, the whole topic is left, and some vocab topics as well. So we need to do that before, once we complete the sample paper. We have completed the grammar section, we have completed the culture and civilization section, and now we are to start with expression écrite, which is the writing section. So writing section, we are doing section 2 in today's video. Section 6 will be done in the next video. So section 2 is what? The objective type. So question number 3, as per the question paper, complete the story, complétez l'histoire, complete the story. 7 options given, you need to do 5. So that's nice. So we will be directly reading the story and I will be writing up the answers over here. Okay? Yes. So let's start reading. On n'a jamais retrouvé ceux qui ont dash la guitare d'Alex. Okay. So we could never find the ones who dash the guitar of Alex. The answer here will be for question number 3, number 1, it would be a volé. A volé means stolen. So we could never find the ones who stole the guitar of Alex. Right. Mais ils ont eu un autre, but he got another. C'est son dash ami Max qui lui a prêté. Okay. It is his dash friend whose name is Max who lent it to Alex. So the most suitable answer here will be Meyer, that Max is best friend of Alex who lent him his guitar. Meyer. Number 3. Les deux garçons jouent dans des fêtes. The two boys used to sing in festivals. Fête can be translated to parties as well. So, right. Dash gagne upper the apostrophe dash. So, if we translate it in English, like these two boys used to play guitar in festivals for earning, right? For, and for is what? Pour gagner, for earning. And what the person will earn? The person will earn money. What's that? Argent. Like this could be quite helpful. This D apostrophe gives a clue that the word begins with a vowel. So argent. Not to be pronounced as urgent, though we are writing it as urgent, but meaning is different, pronunciation is different when it comes to French. So it's argent. Elles ont beaucoup de succès. They got a lot of success. Dash les examens. Fin terme. Elles seront en troisième. So after their final term exam, they will be in the third. Okay, I read out the answer. Fine. So dash les examens. Fin terme. So of course the person will start working once the exams are over, right? So after the final term examinations. So after is what? Après. Fine. Les examens fatal, ils seront en troisième, they will be third. Peut-être, perhaps, ils ne dash pas continuer à jouer ensemble à partir de l'année dash. Okay, so perhaps uh, they won't be able to continue. They won't be able to continue. There's a verb to be able to in French. What's that? Pouvoir. And to the context, it's like talking about future. So future sample will be right here. Pourront. They will not be able to continue to play together at the end of the, now we are talking about future, right? So which year should it be? The next year, prochaine. So prochaine is the suitable answer. So 7, prochaine. Ça sera la fin d'une belle aventure. So this would be the end of a beautiful adventure. Basically, in expression écrit section 2 or the objective type of expression écrit, you will be getting two questions. Basically, one, like if we follow the sample paper, one would be in the form of a story, other one would be in the form of a letter, and there will be words given, options, and then you need to choose the right option. And each question will have 7 in total. You need to do only 5. So 5 plus 5, 10. This section goes for 10 marks. So first question of section 2 is completed. Now we are moving to the second question of section 2, which is question number 4 in the question paper. It's in the form of letter. Fine. So Salut, not sure for the pronunciation of the name, it's Y-A-N-N. Yan. Still not sure for the pronunciation of this name. So we are talking about question number, what's it? Question number 4. Right. So to say vendredi après-midi, lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, Friday. So you know, Friday afternoon, après-midi is afternoon, vendredi is Friday, lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi. Yes, Friday. So you say Friday afternoon, je suis allé dash avec mes parents pour acheter des poissons pour notre aquarium. Aquarium. Like in English it's aquarium. Not sure for the French pronunciation. Will clarify the pronunciation in the description box when I will be uploading it. So let's read it aquarium only since I am not clear right now. So we will be going where? We will be going to the city. Now the thing is, I noted it down from the question paper. I don't have it in the printed form. And now I'm confused that which was the option. It was whether it was we aller or envie. So I'm adding the whole stuff. That would be much better to do. Je suis allé en vie. Yeah, that's much more appropriate. Avec mes parents pour acheter des poissons pour notre aquarium. So for buying fishes for our aquarium, in fact fish only, like we don't really say fishes, right? Then ils ont choisi des poissons noirs, mais moi. Oh, I read the answer again. So they had chosen the black fishes, again fish, the black fish, we don't say fishes. The black fish dash me, like something in contrary, right? So how to indicate that? But me. So the answer will be may, M-A-I-S, may. J'ai dash a poisson jaune. So I dash a yellow fish. So what did I prefer? So answer will be préféré. J'ai préféré. Yes. Talking about number 4. Mon poisson est moins grand, mais il est dash. My fish is less big. The person could have said small also, like the fish is small, but this person is saying moins grand, less big, but it is dash. So the fish is small, but it is pretty. And for pretty, what do we have in French? It's joli. Pretty, beautiful, both are fine for its translation. Number 5. Le soir, on est allé dîner à un restaurant assez dash. So, in the evening, we went for dinner to a restaurant quite dash, quite popular. And popular in French is what? Populaire. Mind it, in the question paper, it's in the form of the MCQs, like 3-4 options will be there and you need to choose the most appropriate one. But I am discussing the answers only, so beware of that. Mais je le dash un peu bizarre. Okay, but I found it to be a bit bizarre. I found, to find. And what's the verb to find in French? Trouver. So, je l'ai trouvé in passé composé. Trouvé. The past participle. I found it a bit bizarre. And lastly, number 7. Nous sommes rentrés dash minuit. So we returned around or towards the midnight. And what's the word here? Vers. V-E-R-S, vers. A bientôt, see you soon, Benoit, the person who has written the letter. So, expression écrite, the objective part is done. I want to do subjective part in the next video, since I don't want to make one video much longer, since that may create a kind of monotony, if I'm right, isn't it? So that's why expression écrite, subjective part, that is section 6, I will be doing in my next video. I would like to put a halt here only for today. So c'est tout pour aujourd'hui, that's all for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel Learn French and Above. And if you have any doubt or suggestion, you may write that in the comment section below. You may also like my Facebook page by the same name, Learn French and Above. See you in my next video. Au revoir, n'oubliez pas que la langue française est l'amour.